Hi everybody, welcome to our Facebook page. Let's make these beautiful flowers. We are removing this orange color and spread the color using an earbud like this. Same way you can also put yellow color and then spread it the same way like we are doing here using earbud. You can also use purple color like this and make different colors on the paper. You can also add details like this. Now make and draw its flowers using green paint, and look, it is ready. Look at the beautiful butterfly. Let's make it. Cut the shape of the butterfly from this black craft paper. Now you can use random colors and make different patterns on it like this. After that we are going to fold it. When you open it, you will get these beautiful patterns. Use different colors and you can make colorful butterflies like this. Just put it inside the butterfly and it's ready. We are going to dab this green color on the paper using a toothbrush, and look, your grass is ready. You can make this shape on a potato and spread it on the sheet like this. We are making a beautiful ladybug like this. Paste googly eyes and your artwork is ready. Look at this beautiful bouquet. Let's make it. First we are going to tie a knot on this transparent polythene and spread red color on it using brush. Now print all the flowers on the sheet of paper like this, and look, it is looking so beautiful. You can also draw its leaves like this using green sketch pen, and look, your artwork is ready. Now make a ribbon and it's done. In this video, we are going to make beautiful drawings using stencils. First, we are going to make this animal and spread colors around it, draw its eyes and write happy birthday. In the next drawing, we are going to use this 2 and 3 stencil and paint colors around it. Now add more decors like this, and look, it is ready. Next, we are going to write happy sister using a stencil and add more details around it. In fourth part, we are going to draw a beautiful landscape. We are making these beautiful flowers, and look, it is ready. You can gift it to your sister on her birthday. Thank you so much for watching this video.